Now question 26. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? The correct option is option D. Now next question. According to section 82 of the Indian Penal Code, nothing is an offense which is committed by a child under. The correct answer is option C, 7 years of age. Next question. The offense of dacoity under Indian Penal Code may be committed by way of. Answer is robbery only. Next question. Question number 29. Under which section of Indian Penal Code the punishment for attempting to commit offences punishable with imprisonment for life or other imprisonment is provided? Correct answer is option C. Next question. The minimum number of persons to an agreement to be designated as criminal conspiracy under section 120A of the Indian Penal Code is. Correct option is A. Next question. Under the Indian Penal Code, whosoever by force compels or by deceitful means induces any person to go from any place commit the offense of. Correct option is B. Abduction. Now next question. Dishonest misappropriation of property possessed by the deceased person at the time of his death is an offense punishable under Indian Penal Code is. Correct answer is option B. Section 404. Next question. According to section 304B of Indian Penal Code, whoever commits dowry theft is punished with imprisonment which is not less than. Correct answer is answer B, 7 years. Next question. Which of the following offense was not inserted in the Indian Penal Code by the Criminal Law Amendment Act 2013? The correct answer is D. Lurking house trespass. Next question. Under which section of the Indian Penal Code voluntarily throwing or attempting to throw acid is an offense? Correct answer is option C. Next question. Lakshmi versus Union of India is a case which is related to the offense of. Correct answer is option A, acid attack. Next question. Indian Evidence Act 1872 was enacted on the date of. Correct answer is option C. Next question. Law of evidence consists of which of the following? Correct option is B. Legal rules of evidence. Next question. Question 39. Which of the following is not included in the expression of court under Indian evidence? Correct answer is option D. Arbitrator. Next question. Any such fact which possesses probative force is called evidence. The definition belongs to whom of the following? Answer is B. Stephens. Next question. Which one of the following sections of Indian Evidence Act makes relevant the opinion as to existence of custom? Correct option is section 48. Next question. Who can make an admission under the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Correct answer is option A. Person from whom interest is derived. Next question. Under which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act opinion as to handwriting has been considered to be relevant? Correct option is option B. Next question. For an offense under section 376 of Indian Penal Code, the evidence of character of the victim is not relevant. Under which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Correct answer is option D. Next question. Dudnath Pandey versus State of Uttar Pradesh is a case which is related in the law of evidence with the topic of. Correct option is B. Next question. Presumption of life is contained under which section of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Correct option is section D. Next question. Relevancy and admissibility under Indian Evidence Act 1872 are the terms which are. Correct option is option C. Next question. Which one of the following term is not inclusive in section 8 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872? Correct answer is option B. Next question. Confession of one accused person is relevant against another co-accused person under which section of the Indian Penal Code? Correct option is option D. Next question. Oral evidence under section 60 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872 must be Correct option is option A, direct only. Next question. Public documents are mentioned under Indian Evidence Act 1872 in. Correct option is option C. Which one of the following is not the exception to the rule of hearsay under law of evidence? Correct option is option D. Next question. Test identification parade under the law of evidence is. Correct option is B. Corroborative evidence. Next question. When can prosecution be allowed to ask leading question to its own witness? Correct answer is option B. Correct option is option A. Next question. Which of the following sections of the Indian Evidence Act applies to the pleaders relating to professional communications? Correct answer is answer D. Next question. Which one of the following is not the prerequisite of presumption as to dowry that under section 113B of the Indian Evidence Act? Correct answer is option C.